Welcome to Block Intel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get notified of the latest updates on the cryptocurrency market and promising altcoins. Have you ever imagined a blockchain so fast? It feels like the internet? A platform so scalable? It's built not just for today's crypto apps, but for the next generation of global finance, gaming, and social interaction. Welcome to Solana, the high-performance blockchain rewriting the rules of Web3. In a world where most blockchains struggle with congestion, high gas fees, and slow transaction speeds, Solana is different. At its core, Solana combines a revolutionary innovation called proof of history with proof of stake to achieve something few thought possible: speed, scalability, and security, without compromising decentralization. But what exactly is proof of history? It's a cryptographic clock, a way to record time itself on-chain, without needing every node to constantly talk to each other. It creates a historical record that proves events happened in a specific order. This allows Solana to process up to 710,000 transactions per second on a 1 Gbps network. And that's not just theory, that's reality, backed by raw performance. And Solana isn't just fast. It's a thriving ecosystem, home to developers, creators, traders, and gamers all building the next big thing. Let's break it down. In gaming, Solana powers real-time multiplayer games with near-zero latency and instant transactions. Think of GameFi projects like Star Atlas or Orrery, built to scale like Fortnite, not stuck waiting for a block confirmation. In DeFi, Solana hosts lending platforms, DEXs, and yield farms where users move assets at lightning speed, with fees often under a penny. In NFTs, artists mint and trade on platforms like Magic Eden and Solanart. No high gas fees, no mint delays. In mobile and social, Solana is pioneering with projects like Dialect and the Solana mobile stack, bringing crypto directly into your smartphone without needing an app store. And it doesn't stop there. Solana's developer tools are built for speed, leveraging eBPF and GPU-accelerated smart contracts that process thousands of instructions in milliseconds. This means builders can create Web 2-level performance with Web 3-level control. With over 2,000 dApps, millions of users, and growing global adoption, Solana has become one of the most robust, fastest-growing ecosystems in crypto today. But here's the real question. Can Solana sustain its momentum? Will its architecture hold up as adoption explodes? And what's next for SOL, the token powering it all? Stay tuned, because in Part 2, we're diving into Solana's current price movements, major ecosystem updates, and what analysts are predicting for the road ahead. If you're building, investing, or just curious about the future of blockchain, you don't want to miss it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the frontier of Web3 together. This is Solana. Fast, scalable, revolutionary. We pick up with a hot update. SOL is trading at about $165, rebounding from a recent low of $156 and hitting intraday highs near $166, showing solid bullish momentum. But what's really fueling this surge? The explosion of ETF talk around Solana. Just days ago, the Rex Osprey SOL Plus staking ETF launched on July 2nd in the US, the first crypto ETF that offers both spot SOL exposure and staking rewards, around 7% APY. On day one, it drew $12 million in inflows and traded about $33 million, a strong debut by anyone's standards. Analysts described it as a healthy start, signaling increased institutional appetite for Solana, and that could just be the beginning. The US SEC rolled out new guidance on crypto ETF regulations and dozens of applications, including several spot SOL ETFs from major firms like Invesco, VanEck, Fidelity, and Bitwise, are queuing up. The next phase of SEC rules could shave approval timelines from 240 days to about 75, potentially clearing the path for spot Solana ETFs by early autumn. On top of this, Trump Media has filed for a crypto blue chip ETF that would include SOL alongside Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and more, highlighting Solana's growing status among top-tier digital assets. With staking ETF in market and major institutional products inbound, technical charts and analyst sentiment support a bullish breakout. From the current wild $165, targets of $180 to $200 mid-July, and potentially $210 or $300 later in the year are being discussed. Easier access via ETFs brings mainstream capital. Institutional demand strengthens Solana's financial foundation. Technical structure suggests a base is building, setting the stage for extended momentum. Could SOL hit $300? Some chart patterns and Fibonacci projections suggest it's possible, but a clear break above the $180–200 zone is key. If you're excited about Web3's future, SOL's next move, and how ETFs are reshaping crypto investing, hit like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.